Hello, to continue my discussion on relevance of quantitative techniques in management. So if you recall that all businesses have to compete uh, with with their with an advantage. So they want kailangan ba ikaw ang pinakamura? They either have to be known as the cheapest or the cheaper, like CDR King, or the fastest, okay, like FedEx. They compete on time or in quality. You have to they should be able to provide better quality products. Okay, so to improve operations, there are frameworks available. So the most famous, I guess, or the most familiar to us is the ISO. So all these frameworks, they have some philosophy, and one of these philosophy is yung decisions should be made on evidence. So evidence means data. So in the quality management uh, movement, there are tools that you use to improve your operations, to improve the processes. What are these tools? Okay, over the years there have been several tools developed to improve the process, but these are the first 7 basic quality tools: stratification, cause and effect diagram, or yung fishbone diagram na alam nyo, check sheet, control chart, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram. I'd like to mention that these last 5, check sheet, control chart, histogram, Pareto chart, and scatter diagram, they make use of quantitative data. At lahat naman yan gumagamit ng data yan. Okay? So what is now quantitative analysis? It is the scientific approach to managerial decision making. Okay? Scientific approach. So decisions should be made on science, should be made on data, not on gut feel. Dahil hindi pwede yung feel ko lang, sa tingin ko yun ang tama. No, it has to be evidence based. Okay? Because numbers matter. Numbers don't lie. Even when you apply for a loan, walang business yata na hindi partially funded by utang. So when you go to a bank, dapat kailangan patunayan mo sa bangko na kaya mo silang bayaran in time. Okay? And that's why you have feasibility studies. If you have a business proposal, okay, you have to have a business plan. So that's the approach of quantitative analysis to making decisions in management. And its approach has 7 steps. The first one is define the problem. Ito ang critical. Okay? Sabi nga, a problem well identified is a problem half solved. Pag malinaw na yung problema, madali na solusyonan yan. Okay? Maski sa math, diba? Ang ang pinakamahirap na step ay yung analyzing the problem. Ano ba yung problem? Diba? Ano ba hinahanap niya? Kasi kapag nakuha mo na yun, madali na mag-compute. But what to compute, yung medyo mahirap na part. Okay? So and then you develop a model. So define your variables. What are the variables that affect the problem, that cause the problem? And you gather data related to the variables that you identified in the second step. Okay? Then you develop a solution, test the solution, analyze the results, do some sensitivity analysis or what if, like yung break-even analysis. Actually, ang tamang tawag na dyan ngayon ay cost volume profit analysis. Naglalaro ka, anong mangyayari sa profit mo kapag tinaasan mo yung production, so volume. Anong mangyayari sa profit mo kung, say, cost? What are your cost? Yung fixed cost and variable cost. Anong mangyayari sa profit, sa tubo, kapag you locate somewhere na mas mura, di ba? Cost. So yung fixed cost mo bababa kung if you locate in a cheaper location, pero baka tataas ang variable cost mo. So, yung mga ganyang analysis. Then, you implement the results. Okay? How is quantitative techniques or Quantech, para hindi masyadong mahirap, nabubulol. How is quantitative techniques different from operations management? Ayan. As you can see, may common topics covered in both courses. So, may duplication. Okay? The highlighted ones are also covered in business stat or statistics. Kaya, I asked you whether you have taken those two courses. So, apparently, you're taking all these three courses in one semester. Good luck sa inyong lahat. Because all three are medyo heavy sa math. Okay? Just rely on math. So, anyway, as you might notice, this course, Quantitative Techniques, requires some skills in mathematics. Okay? So, our first take-off point, as a take-off point, kailangan nating mag-review on systems of linear equations and descriptive statistics. Okay? Then, some concepts on probability dahil gagamitin natin yan sa decision analysis. So, I use this textbook. I use this book as a textbook for when I taught this course in another university. So, and most likely I'll be using this one also. Okay? So, that's it for quantitative techniques as an introduction.